pakiramdam mo habang pinapanood mo yung mga video ko. Sure. 246 viewers, hi! Welcome to my live, guys. So, meron akong husky voice. Husky voice. Sure. Mukhain akong husky. Charot lang. Ayan, 266 viewers. Best, more vlog. Wala kasi akong masyadong income ngayon, alam mo. Yun. At dahil wala akong masyadong income, wala akong, ibig sabihin, wala akong budget pang vlog. So, ayan, send na kayo. Join na kayo sa aking membership, sa aking Patreon, YouTube membership, ayan, para magkaroon ako ng budget. Ayan. So, kung napapansin nyo, ilang gabi na ako nagsa-silent live, quiet live, kasi wala akong income. Charot. Ayan, shout out. Did you have a good day, sweetheart? Yes, I have a good day, sir. I have a good day, Sir David Mills. Ayan. Medyo blurred yung mata ko. Blurred talaga siya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Char. Ayan. Shout out to 172 viewers. Best friend na tayo. Hindi ko kailangan ng best friend. Ang best friend, alam mo kung anong best friend? Siya na yung kasama mo for life. Yun nakasama mo for life. Ganon. Ikaw, ngayon lang kita nakilala. Diyos ko, sa comment section pa. Hindi ko nga alam yung pagkatao mo. Tapos best friend tayo. Hey. Charot lang. Ayan, 273 viewers. Hello, 273 viewers. Shout out. Ayan na. Shout out na. Welcome to my live, guys. I know I'll never love this way again. Hi, 228 viewers. Sige, gagawin ko lang busy-busy yung sarili ko dito habang nag-aantay ako ng bisyo. Ayan, 228 viewers. Hi. Hi, join in my membership, guys. Don't be shy. Join. Saan na ba i-link ng ano ko? Wala pa i-link ng Patreon ko. Dito yata. Hanapin ko ito. Wow. Hanapin tayo. Ayun. Ayan, shout out to 169. Ayan, hello, 169 viewers. Ang init. Sobrang init. That's the way. Ayan na, wala na nag-comment. Ayan guys, if you want to follow me or watch my YouTube channel here in my YouTube channel, just click the subscribe button. That's all you can do is click subscribe button and notification bell. So, inaantok na naman ako. Charot. Lagi ako inaantok. So, yan. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell for notification. So, meron akong membership. I have membership. YouTube membership and Patreon membership. For exclusive content only. For members only. Ayan. Just click the join button. Ayan. Or click Patreon link in my channel description box. So, shout out 164 viewers. Naka 12 minutes pa lang ako, guys. Ang init, grabe. Paano mag-join sa aking YouTube channel? I-click nyo lang ang link at mapupunta na kayo doon sa aking membership. Ayan, 179 viewers.